Hey guys, we are doing our next lab, which is on respiration rates. We are going to take a couple different subjects. We're going to use glass beads, we are going to use peas, and we are going to use crickets. And we are going to determine respiration rates using vernier equipment. We're going to do this at different temperatures using water baths. So let's get going. So right now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to record the mass of whatever subject it is that we happen to be testing. In this case I'm going to show you our control, the glass beads, but this would be the same for the peas and for the crickets. What we're going to do is take the container that we're going to use, we're going to put it on the scale. Since I'm going to add this using this little guy right here, I am going to go ahead and place that on there, and we're going to zero both of those out so that the only thing we're recording is the beads. So I've taken those off. There we go, now we're zeroed out. We're going to go ahead and add those beads and record the mass. So let me go ahead and add the beads. So the beads are in there, and it looks like we are sitting at 7.19, 7.20 grams roughly. We're going to repeat that process for each of our test subjects. So we have masked our various subjects. We've masked the glass beads, which are now in a vial, ready to go. We've masked the non-germinating peas, the germinating peas, and of course our crickets. What we will be using to conduct this experiment is going to be our lab quest from Vernier, as well as a CO2 sensor. The Vernier lab quest is going to be recording the values of carbon dioxide that are present at any given moment. Okay, that is going to be connected to our CO2 sensor. In this case, it is connected to the container with the glass beads. I have it resting in a solution of water that has been chilled to 10 degrees Celsius. For each of these tests, we are going to go ahead and allow it to sit for 5 minutes. Then we are going to record the initial value after 5 minutes, allow it to run for another 5 minutes, and then record the final value when that is done. Okay. We will do that at 10 degrees Celsius. When that's finished, we will take those subjects, allow them to stabilize. So we're going to give it another 5 minutes to stabilize. Record at 20 degrees Celsius. We'll allow it another 5 minutes after that to stabilize, 30 degrees Celsius, and we will take our initial at 5 minutes, and 5 minutes later, our final. So that's how we got all of our data. If you have any questions on how to fill out those analysis questions, please feel free to come and see me. Good luck.